The move towards the tokenization of traditional assets became more apparent this week. French banking giant Societe Generale appears to be betting big on blockchain and tokenization. Last week, the bank carried out an experiment with the Banque de France, the country's central bank, to issue bonds as tokens and then settle them in digital euros. The bank is also building asset tokenization solutions to help improve liquidity for investors. In another move, exchange giant Nasdaq, along with a 28-strong group including Microsoft, IBM, Accenture, and Chainlink, announced the launch of the Interwork Alliance, a nonprofit organization aimed at bringing global standards for the token-based ecosystem. The Digital Dollar Project, the high-profile partnership between Christian Carlo's Digital Dollar Foundation and consulting firm Accenture, released its first white paper. The paper warns that if the US government doesn't start thinking seriously about how to design the digital dollar, it could end up losing its ability to impose the nation's values on the financial system. People's Bank of China Governor Yi Gang has said that there is no timetable for the official launch of the digital yuan. Yi said that tests are still a routine work in research and development process, and it does not mean that the digital RMB will be officially issued. However, at the same time, China's Communist Party's new blockchain book casts Libra as a threat to its currency system. US investment bank JP Morgan was making headlines again this week when it reported that it had agreed to pay $2.5 million to settle a crypto class action lawsuit. The suit, originally filed in 2018, alleges that the bank overcharged customers making cryptocurrency purchases using Chase credit cards, classifying them as cash advances. Finally, crypto analysts noted this week that the total number of Bitcoin currently being held on deposit at major exchanges has fallen to its lowest level, 1.36 million, since Q2 last year, a level that saw the price of Bitcoin rally from under 4,000 to 14,000 then. Our own Philip Gradwell has, of course, been covering such metrics extensively in recent weeks, so stay tuned to get his latest thoughts later in the show.